Hello, Hustlers. Welcome back to the channel. Also review. Today, I'll show you how to carry hard tags in Swagbucks. So all you have to do, you go to your Google or your Chrome browser and type swagbucks.com, and it will take you straight to the website. So this is a website. So I've already logged in, created an account on this. So I just have to log in straight up. So I have to wait. So in this video I will show you tasks that how you can do the tasks, play games, answer survey, and let's see if it's really something that you would love to do or something. So let's see. So this is this is what I have there. These are some of the tasks here. As you can see, some of the tasks, they are called discover special offer and earn. So I have two tasks. So let me go with the one with 25 SB. Let me go with the one with 17 SB points. It's about 40 minutes. So they asked me for my date of birth. I was like, okay. I input. This is a task. It's a survey. So you just do the survey. Then for my date of birth, I input my date of birth, and after that, take to the next question. Now this is going to last for 40 minutes. So are you a male or a female? So definitely now I'm actually a male. So I was a male. I put it male figure. Wow. Then school. What is the highest level of education you have completed? School living certificate? Nah, not that. Complete some institutional? Nah, not that. Bachelor degree? Okay. So let's see what kind of, if we actually get my zip code. I think this was a mistake I made here. Like I put a wrong zip code. That was, I don't know why this thing didn't get accepted, but this is how the survey actually look like. It's just question and answer, and sometimes it will take you like 20 minutes or so. So that's just it. And I think all these things we can just like fill in, take any prompt you want, and I think you actually got it working. So you get the whole point. So just what the next thing was your job title level. Oh God, sometimes the questions are so frustrating, but it's just a survey. Remember, you just have to do it. So what I've learned and discovered is that most of the survey are not really available to Africans, to Nigerians in a large scale. Like I think the US one is that you can actually do swag bug survey in large scale, but in Nigeria, in Africa countries, the survey can be just like 2 or 3 a day. It just depends. But the survey don't come that big. So you see the survey, let's just see what happened and whether I will get the SB point or what. So just answer questions. This survey. So which department do you primarily work within at your organization? Like I said, you just tick anything, but let everything you tick, let it relate with the next thing you're going to take. You understand? So that let them know that you are not just taking anything you want to take just to pass the test. I think that was the mistake I did in this survey. So at the end of the survey now, I didn't get nothing because I didn't answer this thing honestly. So they are more survey. But remember the daily poll I told you about, that they give you 1 SB point every day. So that's, you can actually do that and get your daily poll. That one just 1 SB. So you can see the survey. Sometimes after you answer most of these questions in the survey, they won't even give you the reward after a survey. So that is it. So the next thing here, we just come over to I'm not going to do this one. This one is 28 minutes. I'm not going to do it. No. I don't have that time. It will not cover here. So I think I will go to the next thing here, which should be, let me do this daily poll. Let me do the daily poll. It's just one question. So this is a survey, but I'm not going to do it. 25 SB, 28 minutes. Nah, I'm not going to do it because the first one, that one discouraged me. I did that for 14 minutes and they didn't give me anything. I mean 17 minutes, they didn't give me anything. So that one just discouraged me. So let's move over to, okay, this is the daily poll that they give you 1 SB point every day. So this is a survey. What is your favorite type of store to wander through to get what with no plans? So I just booked bookstore and volts and N1SB. So those are the points. Those are the people that click on those results. And so bookstore is the highest there. But anyhow, as long as you do this survey, they're going to give you your own SB points. Now come over to games, and this is where people get it wrong, where people are skeptical about it. Now, how do their games work? You can see the survey. The survey just depends on your location, and the survey is not many. You just few survey in a day. So come to games like, man, these are games that, now these games are actually linked to the Play Store, and so if you click on one of these games, so let me click on this first one here, end up to 286 SB points. Deluxe block what? So let me click on that. You can see when I click, it takes me to this page here, and I see Go. Let me go to the Go. Important things to know, description. So let me go to Go. Like, if I can achieve this goal if I play level 5, I will have 0.10 cents. If I reach level 10, 0.05 cents. If I reach level 15, 0.10 cents. If I reach level 20, 0.15 cents. If I reach level 25, 0.30 cents. Just like until if I reach level 40, I got 1.50 cents. And mind you, this game you play, you are actually on the internet. So as you are playing the game, they will obstruct you with a lot of notifications and a lot of hearts. So you can actually download the game and you start to play. If not, you have free time. Honestly, if not, you have free time on your side, you can actually play those games. You understand? So like me, I don't think I have that time to sit down. So my honest review about this thing is that if not you have time for survey and you have a lot of time on your side, you can actually play this thing. But if you know that you don't have time, then I don't think that this is a good platform to earn passive income or to earn side also money. So see you in the next video on the next topic.